Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, we have a very interesting situation here headed into Wednesday, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos on Apple I've done. But if you watch any of the past ones, hopefully you remember me talking about that red line there, which I talked about as resistance being at $125. And wouldn't you know it, a big move all the way to the upside that just happened to stop going up right at the red line there. The power of charts. But I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have noticed the same thing. So there's going to be a lot of people watching 125 going forward, which is important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with 125. So you're going to have one of these situations, and it's not a guarantee, but it's more than plausible. It's more than valid to think that if the price consolidates out, gets up there, and then can break through 125, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, nothing's guaranteed to happen, but that is definitely a more than valid thought to have. So definitely be watching 125 moving forward. That is certainly a very important key technical level from the resistance side of things. As far as levels of support are concerned, preferably speaking now, if the price can now begin to stay up above 124.25, that would be a great sign of power now if the price falls below that level. That doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying above 124.25 would be great. However, from more so the overarching standpoint, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average, meaning as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is helpful because as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that. That is what has been represented. So overall, though, keep your eye on these technical levels. But yeah, pretty much everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching 125 moving forward. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.